To use the weather widget on the Garmin Forerunner 55, press the up or down button to navigate into the widgets. And go up to the weather widget. If you don't find it into the widget, press and hold the up button and go down to add widget and find the weather widget into that menu. But since it's already there, I'm gonna go back to that weather widget. So from this first page, you're able to see that actually it's cloudy outside, that the actual temperature is 1 degree, and the maximum for today is 1 degree and minimum -3. If I want to have more information, I can select the Start Stop button, and then I have the same information, but moreover, I know that it feels like -2. There's actually a wind of 16 kilometers per hour from west. There's actually 0% chance of rain, and that's actually the weather for Cranby, which is the location I am just right now. Then we can have more information if we go down. This is the next hour's forecast, so at 15, 16, and 17 o'clock. I know that it will be maybe a little bit more sunny or less cloudy. And if I want to see the other hours, I can select the Start Stop button to go even further in the day or the night. Then if I go down, I will be able to see the next day's forecast with the minimum and maximum and the percentage of rain. And again, we can press the Start Stop button to go even further. And finally, if we go down, we got this air quality page and UV index. So that's it. There's only 4 pages. And when you're done, you can press the back button to return to the widget and the back button again to return to the main page. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.